Today I will introduce a long-awaited tool for you, Flexiblock. Flexiblock can change its shape according to different scenarios. Flexiblocks are similar to dynamic blocks, so those familiar with dynamic blocks can start using them immediately. Here is a simple guide on how to create a flexiblock. Let's create a stretchable table as an example. Create a regular block object first. Then, open the block editor panel and find the Parameters and Actions buttons. Let's add parameters first. If you want to stretch the object based on a fixed value, you can set it in the Parameter Properties panel. Then add actions, select the object you want to stretch and save the block reference. You can now see that the block can be dragged freely. However, the number of chairs doesn't change according to the length of the table. We can add the array action to the block. Now the number of chairs will change according to the length of the table. Another feature is that dynamic blocks can be edited in ZWCAD now. When we want to edit a dynamic block, a window will pop up to remind you to convert dynamic blocks to flexiblocks. Click Yes to finish converting. Now you can edit the dynamic block in ZWCAD. And you can add many parameters and actions to it. Interested in the Flexiblock function? Download ZWCAD 2024 to start using it now.